Visionary is not a word that, that a lot of us use. And it's very rare that we actually get to meet somebody who's a visionary. But I would say even at a young age, it was really clear that Keisha had something really, really exceptional to offer.
I am the proud child of immigrants. My family is originally from Guyana, South America. I always knew that I wanted to help others. I love being a psychologist, and I am very happy just in terms of what I do. And not everyone can say that they love what they do, but I love what I do. I am a staff psychologist at St. Louis, VA, as well as I am the owner of New Horizons Psychological Services. Through New Horizons, I do a lot of criminal justice and forensic criminal psychology work, so that takes me to detention centers around Missouri.
We have this really nice connection in being able to talk about what does it mean to be a psychologist, also a woman of color, providing services for a variety of individuals who have pretty unique needs and sometimes have needs that have gone underserved for a very long time.
A big part of what is important is having partnerships, being in the community, knowing, understanding what is happening, and listening. Because in terms of giving care, it's meant to be collaborative. It's understanding what does a community need and how can I help with that. Across the landscape of St. Louis, there's a history of disparity. So because of those disparities, there's not always the same level of access to care. So it's very important for us to be able to close those gaps.
She works extremely hard, is very creative in what she does, and I value her approach. She really works to stay balanced in the work that she does, and sometimes our work is extremely hard.
I'm very honored and humbled to receive this award. I'm very thankful to the children and the families who I've worked with over time and who have allowed me to be a part of their journey.
It's really kind of common in psychology to kind of be colorblind and to think that one size fits all. And Keisha brought something new to the table, and she said, wait a minute, there's color itself is a variable. Being part of a marginalized community is a variable. And we've got to start thinking about that when we address mental health care, because it's an important and powerful factor in that. This is somebody who elevated the field. She did it in St. Louis. She did it across the state of Missouri, and she's done it nationally. So it is just absolutely exciting to me that she's being recognized for this award.
Mental health can be wellness. It can be exercise, it can be walking, it can be social activities, it can be recreational, it could be communal. For some, that's religion. Others, it's more so just connecting with nature, but understanding that there is more than one way to understand mental health.